guys, Warren Ness here, Rocksculptor. Today I want to share with you our current project in which we created this live edge concrete conference table. So I want to discuss to you today the components that make up this conference room table. One is the GFRC tabletop, the other is a carved concrete base. The tabletop is a different mix design. It's what they call a SCC, which is self-consolidating concrete. And GFRC stands for glass fiber reinforced concrete. And the base leg, like I said, is for vertical. That actually has a foam core structure in it. So just kind of give you the backbones on the project. So as far as the design goes, I was really interested in creating some soft lines, meaning that live edge, if you look at it, it's got some undulating in and out, snaky, formational type of movement to it. So I wanted to integrate that organicness into the base leg. I could have went with some steel black legs. I could have built maybe a steel vertical pillars or whatnot. But I think integrating that vertical carved base leg obviously shows off its medium carved concrete. And secondly, what can be done with it. Because if that was a real stump leg, for one, it'd be very hard to find. Secondly, that level of decay would probably fall apart as you try to, stick it together. So in closing, guys, thanks for watching today. And I will encourage you to pick up a bag, pick up a trowel, pick up a brush. It's not easy initially, but if you put a little practice in and get over that learning curve, that's where the fun starts to happen. It can be frustrating in the beginning because you're just burning through, you're getting through all the mistakes. And with mistakes come learning. So I encourage you to kind of push through that hump and give it a shot.